Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make baklava. So let's start. So we will need phyllo pastry sheets. This is 454 grams, 16 sheets. So I took the phyllo sheets out on a tray. Just make sure you keep your phyllo sheets covered when you're not using them, otherwise they will become dry. So we will need 2.5 cups of nuts. It's up to you if you want to use just walnuts or combination of nuts. I'm going to use 1 cup of walnuts, 1 cup of almonds and half cup of pistachios. And we are going to add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar and zest of lemon. And we are going to grind these in our food processor until they become coarse. So these are our grinded nuts. So we will need 9 by 13 inch pan and melted butter. This is 2 sticks of melted butter. So now we are going to grease our baking tray. So let's start our layering process. So first we are going to cut our phyllo sheets in half. So put your baking tray on your phyllo sheets, cut it in half. Lay 2 sheets at a time and with every 2 sheets brush them with melted butter. Continue doing this until the 8th sheet. Now we have reached our 8th sheet, so let's sprinkle our nuts. Now we will begin to layer again. This time we will have a total of 5 sheets and every 2 sheets we will brush with butter. Sprinkle nuts, again 5 sheets in total. Every 2 sheets spread butter. Sprinkle nuts, another 5 sheets in total. Every 2 sheets spread butter. Sprinkle nuts. For the final layering process, we will do 8 sheets in total. Every 2 sheets add butter. Sprinkle nuts. I know this layering process seems complicated, but it's really not. So basically just remember the numbers 8, 5, 5, 5, 8 and every 2 layers spread butter. Now we will cut our baklava in 4 even horizontal sections. Then cut diagonally, creating a diamond shape in each baklava. Spread butter. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 35 minutes. So let's start making our sugar syrup. So I have 1 cup of water and our pan is on medium high. 3/4 cup of sugar, half cup of honey, cinnamon stick and 2 cloves. Bring it to a boil. Now it's starting to boil and we will add our lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We are going to simmer it for another 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Our sugar syrup is ready. Turn your heat off and now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or you can add rose water or orange blossom. Set aside and let it cool down completely. So I just transferred the syrup into a measuring cup and now I'm taking the cinnamon and clove out. Our baklava is out of the oven. Now while it's hot, we are going to pour our syrup on top and then put it in the fridge overnight or for a couple of hours. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe and enjoy.